Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do these gorgeous jumbo passion twists. Now I did these a couple days ago. It took me about 2 hours, but that's because I kept stopping. I think it should normally take probably about an hour. I did do 16 large twists, so this is how my head is looking. First, I start off by just parting my hair into however many sections I wanted, which was 16 sections, and then I am using the rubber band method, so I just smooth it and apply the rubber bands. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm just using the beeswax, the Murray beeswax, the white one, not the black one. I'm just using that to smooth my hair up, and then I put it in a rubber band and twist the ends. Alright, so I am using the hair. It's 2X Ease Passion Twist. It's in the color 1B30 and it's in the length of 18 inch. Now this is originally supposed to be just crocheted in normally, but I'm just going to do it a little differently. Now since I already knew that I had 16 plaits in my head, I went ahead and separated the hair. So my bigger sections, which would be my bigger parts, they get 3 of the twist, and then my smaller parts, they get 2 of the twist. Now the way that I am going to use these is I'm going to unravel them. My hair is like a kinky texture, so I want it to match my hair as much as possible. So what I'm going to do is just pull the hair apart. So this first section that I'm doing is in the back. It's a bigger section, so I'm using 3 twists, and I'm just going to pull all the twists apart just to make it more kinkier, more fluffier, so that it'll match my hair a little bit more. Something I forgot to tell you guys, I did do them a little bigger in the back and smaller in the front. Now we're gonna go over how I actually put the twist in. For my hair, I just went ahead and oiled it. I'm gonna add this Murray beeswax to it, and I also added a little bit of what is it called? A little bit of that black gel. I cannot think of it. Cannot think of the name of it. It'll come to me in a minute. But then what you want to do is just get your hair like this with your crochet needle. As you can see, my little plait is not tight, so I just go ahead and crochet it through there. Alright, so once I have it crocheted through, I'm just gonna pull the rest of the hair out, and then you'll have 2 sections like this. And this is when you can make your plait tighter. So I'm making it just a little bit tighter by pulling my actual hair, the way you make it tight. I don't know how to explain that. But then I'm going to add some beeswax, and I'm going to twist each side going the opposite way. And then I'm just going to start the twist off, and it's literally just that simple. I like to twist like tight. I don't like my twist to be loose. So if it's already tight, it's gonna turn out really nice and pretty. But if it's just loose and chunky, it's not gonna look too well. So that's all I did, and this is how the first twist turned out in the back. And so now I'm just going to do the same thing in the front, just so that you can kind of see better how I do it. Now I did do something a little bit different, which is I take small pieces of the hair out of the twist, just to, I don't know what it's called, just to give it that like curly, like, you know, the twist or the braids, but it'll have like the little curly piece out of it. I'm going to show you guys how I do that as well. And when you're twisting and you have kinkier hair like me, once you get to the end of your actual hair, just go ahead and add some beeswax or whatever you would like to hold it, just to keep it in place. And as you can see now, this is me taking the little curly piece out and continuing to twist it to the end. Once I'm done with the twist, you'll see I just, you know, get the actual loose hair from the twist that I pulled out, and I just add beeswax to that as well because it defines the twist. So I really like that. I thought that was a really cool thing that the beeswax does to the twist. And so basically I just went ahead and finished the rest of my hair. Now I did add some little like designs to it. As you can see, those little silver things in my head. I didn't record how I put those in, but I did add them. Now I really like this jumbo twist style because I need something quick and easy and I'm going out of town. Most of the time I'm going to be wearing it up, and yeah, I just love the way it turned out. It was super easy, and even though I was stopping and starting, I do feel like it was still, you know, like a pretty quick process. So this is how it looks, y'all. This is so cute. I may do some smaller ones next time, but I'm not sure. And like I stated before, in all I did 16 large twists, and yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to share it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And check me out on Instagram, y'all. My Instagram is @SlayedByTamia. And I'll talk to you later.